One word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. There are times in life when you know that you cannot stay where you have been, but you are not yet fully sure of what lies ahead. You can feel that something is shifting, that things are changing and moving, and yet you can still see the questions. Questions about direction, questions about timing, and about whether you've really heard the Lord. There are seasons when the path ahead is just not fully visible. You may know some of the next steps, but you do not know exactly where to go. And I hear the Lord say, do not be afraid, but trust that I am with you, that I am the Lord who is walking with you. You're not in this alone. I am the one who has prepared the way before you, the one who sees the things which you do not yet see. Trust in me that I am there by your side, that I am guiding and I am leading you by my spirit and by my hand, for I make a way where there has been no way. Trust in me that I am speaking to your heart, that I am bringing my reassurance to you, for I am the Lord who is there by your side, the Lord who is leading you along the path of life. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.